Okay, so may comment dito, naghahanap daw siya ng property na may vacant lot or may malaking outdoor space. So panoorin mo to because this is the house that is perfect for you. So ito siya, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. Now this is the house. It has 687 square meters lot area. As you can see, meron siyang vacant lot dito. And then this one has a pool. Tingnan natin. So, ayan siya. Ang laki pa ng space niya. Pwede ka pang mag-build ng small house or kung gusto mo ng big garden dyan. Tapos, meron pa siyang pool area and this is the lanai. Okay. Now, if you want to see the full house tour of this beautiful house or kung gusto nyo makita yung interior niya, please do message us or you can stay tuned sa i-upload namin sa aming YouTube channel. So, dito ang aming contact details if you want to schedule a viewing and kung gusto nyo siyang makita in person.